Between 1907 and 1915, Einstein conceptualized a beautiful unification of space and time, which he termed as general theory of relativity. In actuality, space and time are blended together so that it becomes a single four-dimensional canvas of the universe.
It is difficult for us to conceptualize four dimensions. Therefore, let us visualize space on two dimensions by representing space to be on xy plane and time dimension to be on z-axis. Even though I'm standing stationary in xy plane, that is, I'm standing stationary in space, time still moves for me, meaning thereby that I'm still moving through time. If we fuse the space represented by xy plane and time dimension represented by z-axis into a single entity called space-time, I'm still moving through space-time.
Thus, we cannot think of movement as merely relative to space, but have to think of it in space-time as a single entity, in which every event is visualized as a unique mathematical picture in space-time, and neither time nor space is absolute. As the idea of space-time shaped in his mind, Einstein could see beyond it, and he questioned what would happen if the shape of flat space-time could warp and curve, and thus was unraveled how gravity works.
It is the distribution of mass and energy that warps the fabric of space-time. Massive sun curves space-time in such a way that although the Earth follows a straight path, that is, the least energy path, in four-dimensional space-time, it appears to us to move along a circular orbit called geodesic in curved 3D space.
Gravitational disturbances that result will form waves which are like ripples in the fabric of space-time, created by any movement of mass and energy. You and I, and everything with mass and energy, warps the space-time around us just a teensy tiny bit and creates gravitational waves with every movement.
Einstein likened the propagation of energy through gravitational waves to the propagation of energy through ripples in a water pond when a stone is thrown in it. Likewise, due to the movement of mass and energy of Sun, the gravitational waves from the Sun are transferred to a distant planet like Earth.
But if gravity isn't a force, how does it accelerate objects? Let us demonstrate this using a model of warped space-time fabric. We take two balls widely separated and drop them from a distance. We observe that they get attracted towards the center of the Earth radially and thus appear to come closer towards each other. It looks as if the two balls are following Newtonian laws of gravity. However, in actuality, they're following a geodesic path to acquire the least potential energy. Thus, the concept of attraction or acceleration has no meaning in general relativity.